Shalom, shalom. This is your brother Wasilkamilbey, and we are Shamstoppers. We reserve our United States constitutional rights, freedom of speech, and everything that rides with that. And we reserve the rights for fair use. Excuse me. Well, title of this video is calculate how much money you wasted. Calculate the money you wasted. How much money you wasted. You know, child support. And this is about child support. You know, just think. Just think if you would have never fucked with that broke bitch, if you never would have stuck your dick in her, there wouldn't be services called Shamstoppers. It wouldn't be Shamstoppers if everybody would have did their research, looked at that bitch's family, you know, and did your research. Look, a lot of you guys on child support because you fucked a broke bitch. It's just that plain, just that simple. Because I'm gonna tell you something. When you had the baby by her, she was barely making it, or she didn't have nothing. And fellas, I want you to calculate, write down all the money you have paid for child support. Don't calculate how much our services is, because it's nothing compared to what you paid for child support for a lie. You can't compare it. You cannot compare it. Okay? And for all the people who talking about, I didn't know shit, that ain't gonna work in court. But like, this is what we about. Okay? You can go to about, go to Shamstoppers, go to about. You can go click that bell, get a notification. Alright? This is what we about. Notice, fair warning, this is not legal advice. If you want legal advice, seek legal counsel, aka a lawyer attorney. If any emotional or people with feelings come on this channel, your feelings and emotions will be hurt. This is not a sovereign citizen movement, terrorist group, conspiracy group. All rights reserved. Alright? Responsible people can reach me through the comment section. That's for all you idiots who don't know how to read. Right? Them I don't know, them I didn't know type of niggas. Okay. Let's get down to the nitty gritty. I'm coming from a book today. Alright? Look. Ignorance of the law excuses no one. May have been a harsh rule at one time, but it is clearly not so now, for the principles of law are now made so clear and simple that he who runs may read. He who would, prepare himself for a business career must know something of the laws governing trade. He must be able to determine what his rights are in any given case, and recognizing his rights, he should know how best to protect them. The young person thus prepared must always appear to have the advantage of his adversary, which we do. It is not all necessary that we should all be lawyers, but every businessman should have such a knowledge of the principles of law as to enable him to decide for himself a right those multitudinous questions that arise in business every day. It means multiple. Alright? These questions must often be decided on a spur of the moment, and with no opportunity for consulting an attorney. If correctly decided, the services of an attorney will be afterwards unnecessary. You see that shit? Look, it is the purpose of this work to make these principles of law so plain and clear that they will be brought within the reach of all. All technicalities of both word and matter have been studiously avoided, and only these subjects of general interest have been considered. Such topics as shipping, marine insurance, marriage, and divorce have been omitted, for it was thought that the time usually spent on these subjects might have been be put to more profitable, use. So, what are they saying? Y'all lazy. Your laziness got you paying child support. I'm just gonna be honest with y'all. It got you paying child support. Real talk. You ready for this? Huh? Here goes some legal maximums. Ignorance of the law excuses no one. So for you stupid niggas out here, I didn't know. No. What was you doing with your time? There's no excuse. Excuses like an asshole. Everybody got one. No one is bound to do what is impossible. No injury is done by those long acquiesced in. Oh, let's talk about that one. So if you up here talking about it's your case, and I got another maximum for that. If you keep acquiescing and saying it's your case and you not trying to fight these people, you not trying to sue your baby mama and the people who helped her, I mean, you guilty. Especially you niggas talking about my case, my case. And when you got people on YouTube telling you it's your case, and this channel says her case is not your case. It's her case because she went down there and got a caseworker, right? She filled out that application to obtain a caseworker, right? And they added you in, which is over here we call it colluding. We call it colluding. That's in the book. I didn't write these law books, right? I didn't write these law books. They don't say by Wasil, attorney, ball number, and all that old craziness. You see that? No one is responsible for inventable accidents. The proof lies on him who affirms, not on him who denies. He who does not denies admits. Y'all ever heard of that? So if you're not denying it's your case, then it's your case. That's your baby mama child support. You owe it. Real talk. A person ought not to be judged in his own cause. One alleging his own infamy is not to be heard. Oh, that's powerful. The intention of the parties is the soul of the instrument, the application. Good faith does not allow us to demand twice the payment for the same thing. Your baby mama pay. How you just gonna pay for your property? Boy, that's some crazy shit. Let the purchaser beware. Ooh, awesome. Awesome. So when you come over here sign up for services, we tell you, right? If you don't want our services, go do what? Read a book. We are the only channel on YouTube that tells you that. That's why we're the greatest channel on YouTube. That is sufficiently certain which can be made certain. An evidence of debt found in the possession of the debtor is presumed to be paid. Right? Right? Your child support, you be talking about your child support case, right? Your child support case, right? You hold that debt. You keep saying it. It's yours. My case. A condition precedent must be fulfilled before the effect can follow. Where two parties are equally in fault, the party in possession has the better cause. Time runs against the slothful and those who neglect their rights. So therefore, he who does not assert his rights have none. The law does not notice trifling matters. Wow, you like that, right? The law does not notice trifling matters. A day begun is held as complete. Every man houses his castle. A gift is not presumed. It is fraud to conceal fraud. What I cannot do in person, I cannot do through the agency of another. I'm going to read that again. What I cannot do in person, I cannot do through the agency of another. And you know what? That deals with contracts, baby. You see that? Giving it to you today, man. What's up? Huh? What's up? I got some old books up in here, nigga. We got this old knowledge, nigga. We got this old knowledge. You know what I mean? You want to see the year of this book? You think I'm bullshitting? What that say? 1894 on that ass. What's up? Oh shit, I got some books from the 1700s. Yeah, I'm finna come on this book from the 1600s, nigga. Yeah, what's up? Huh? Hey man, ignorance of the law excuses no one. Calculate all that money you wasted though. Calculate all the money you have wasted. All of it. All of it. On especially fun shit. Calculate all that money. Calculate it. Calculate it. Calculate that shit. You know what I mean? Y'all want me to hit y'all with some more shit? I'm just gonna we gonna have us some fun today. I tell you, man, that agency better be shut down. See that? Ooh, the legislative, executive, and judicial from the state of Illinois branches are separate. No branch shall exercise powers properly belonging, see that shit? To another. See that? Look at that. I like the end of that. Consider whether the federal courts should emulate state courts and more strongly enforcing the non-delegation doctrine, or whether state courts should follow the federal courts in giving only lip service to the doctor. Hey man, this is a great channel. Hey, I got some more cold shit over here. That's why we successful over here, okay? This is why we're successful. I'm going to do a little short 15-minute video. Got 1 minute. Hey, man, hit us up, man. You know what I mean? Fellas, stop making up excuses and shit. You know? We run this shit. Like I say. Subscribe, share, like, comment. We got some cold shit, man. We got some more cold shit. Oh, we got some treats, okay? But from here on out, we're going to go and do the little lectures. And I'm going to be getting in some ass. Alright? I'm finna do a lot of chastising. So, just be ready, man. Calculate all the money you wasted, though. On bullshit in your baby mama before you met her. Calculate all the money before you met her. Alright? Hit us up. Peace.